Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is listening to life. I am attentive to the world that is around me, signs and symbols, guide me to success. I listen and discover my way to the eternal and my higher self. Have you been feeling deja vu? Have you been seeing synchronicities? 111, 222, 333, 444, 555, 666, 777. These numbers are not to be feared. Numbers are the language of the universe, as we have English, Korean, Spanish. Spirit's language is numerology, is numbers. So when you see these repeating numbers, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, this is the universe. This is what Spirit is trying to communicate to you. So when you see these numbers, what are you thinking at that present moment? It's time to ask as you pray, meditate, go out in the elements, ask and then listen and find out what is the message that they're trying to give to you, because they're trying to give you the way and path to the next level. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.